I wanted to record a video just to dive a little deeper into the mortgage process. Once you have an accepted offer, I strongly recommend starting the mortgage process. That means choosing the lender you're going to apply with, locking in the rate, and getting them all the necessary documents that they need in order to process the loan. Also, staying on top of your lender to make sure, is there anything else that's outstanding? I have seen loans get delayed because the lender forgot to request a form, or the buyer didn't get the form to them, whatever the document is that they requested in a speedy fashion, and it has delayed the issuing of the loan commitment. So I definitely recommend choosing a lender that is very responsive, especially someone who works well over email. A lot of these lenders now have portals where you'll be given access, and they'll give you in like a project management workflow, like everything that's needed. You could upload it, but I strongly recommend working with a lender who you can get on the phone if you had to reach them after hours. So someone, I would be a little cautious working with a extremely large bank with a 1-800 number, or someone who's not local in the area. I always recommend trying to work with a lender who's local, where if you ever had to meet up with them to give them something, you're able to do that, and you can reach them after hours. They tend to be the smaller banks or more direct mortgage companies versus the larger banks. I've had customers use large banks where the loan officer is in New York, but the processor is in Minnesota, and somebody else is in Texas, and it can really complicate the whole process. So I strongly recommend using someone, if you had to reach them in person, drive to their office or get them on a cell phone after hours, you are able to do that, and someone who works well over email. I would recommend staying on top of your lender, and whatever they request of you, get to them in a speedy fashion. That way your loan can be issued in the appropriate period, which on average is about 30 days to receive a loan commitment from the conclusion of the attorney review period. I'll link below several local lenders who I recommend. Feel free to contact them with any lending questions. Thank you very much.